Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of potato gardening. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small patio, growing your own potatoes is not only fun but also rewarding. In this video, I'll guide you through every step of the process, from choosing the right seed potatoes to harvesting those delicious spuds. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare materials. 1. Seed potatoes. Purchase certified disease-free seed potatoes. 2. Garden tools. Gather a spade or shovel, garden fork, hoe, and watering can or hose. 3. Soil amendments. Get compost or well-rotted manure for soil enrichment. 4. Containers or garden bed. Decide whether you'll grow in containers or directly in the ground. Step 2. Choosing a location. 1. Sunlight. Select a sunny location with at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight. 2. Soil. Ensure the soil is well draining and loose, with good fertility. Step 3. Planting. 1. Cutting seed potatoes. If large, cut seed potatoes into chunks with at least 2-3 eyes per piece. Let them dry and form a protective layer for a couple of days. 2. Spacing. Dig trenches or holes about 4-6 inches deep and space potato chunks or whole potatoes 12-15 inches apart. 3. Planting. Place the seed potatoes with eyes facing upward. Step 4. Hilling. 1. When to hill. Once the potato plants emerge and are about 6-8 inches tall. 2. Adding soil. Carefully mound soil around the base of the plants, leaving the top leaves exposed. 3. Repeat. Continue to hill up soil around the plants as they grow, ensuring no potatoes are exposed to sunlight. Step 5. Watering and maintenance. 1. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, especially during dry spells. 2. Weeding. Regularly remove weeds to reduce competition for nutrients. 3. Fertilizing. Side dress with compost or a balanced fertilizer halfway through the growing season. Step 6. Harvesting. 1. Timing. Potatoes are typically ready for harvest when the plants begin to yellow and die back about 2-4 weeks after flowering. 2. Harvesting. Carefully dig up potatoes with a fork, starting at the plant's perimeter to avoid damaging tubers. 3. Curing. Gently brush off excess soil and cure potatoes for 1-2 weeks in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place. Step 7. Storing. 1. Storage. Store cured potatoes in a dark, cool 40-50 F410C, humid location like a root cellar or basement. 2. Avoiding light. Keep potatoes away from light to prevent greening and bitterness. And that's a wrap on growing potatoes. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing your own potatoes is a rewarding experience that anyone can enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!